Big Data Analytics Power Boosted. Looking at Big Data Analytics System Resiliency. A study by Solitaire Interglobal Ltd, a vendor-neutral predictive performance modeling expert service provider. In Big Data Analytics, you look at IT infrastructure and you're putting in your normal applications. The IT systems stage reasonable loads into their available servers, and it's based on the operational systems. Data comes into the system based on users, customers, scheduled operations, and vendor interactions. Varying schedules and differing data activities changes what is running from minute to minute, second to second. In this environment, the information is produced out of the system based on those runs and other dependencies for the applications and systems exchanging data and completing each other's processes. The addition of the unstructured data that's part of BDA causes more stress on the system performance and adds complex and difficult to predict system behavior. The capacity demand can quickly overload the IT systems, even as your data mining efforts produce information. Resilient systems stretch to handle peak capacity demands without having to add permanent infrastructure. As the workload eases up, the system can return to its pre-resilient levels. The system resiliency affects the overall cost of a BDA deployment by as much as 34.5% based on 31,000 customer productions. You have limited resiliency within an x86 environment, variable in a Unix environment based on OS and platform, and very high with the integrated IBM Power.
The limited resiliency means that you have to add more platforms going forward to handle peak workload, although when the demand is not at peak, the resources stand idle.
Higher resiliency equals less expense for IT architectures. The resiliency limits over-engineering for BDA and improves efficiency of spend. And decisions to increase capacity can be made strategically rather than in a hurry. When looking at BDA deployments, see what over 31,000 customers have reported. Keep efficiency high and total cost low. Consider IBM Power Boosted BDA for your organization.